So here we are, day 6. We've all made it, so this is a big achievement just for all of us. But today we'd like to thank Phoenix Care staff for their day 6 sponsorship. Yeah, it's going to be a wet one today, but yeah, it's going to be good fun. And Tristan and Reese are in the same race, so they're going to have a little battle between themselves. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see who comes out on top between them two.
Morning everyone, here we are, final day, day 6. Feeling excited, can't wait, it should be good. We've had a brilliant week, it's been fantastic. The whole crew have been here. We're all just kind of slightly packing up now, ready, getting ahead of the game before we actually pack up later on tonight. But just the final motocross, feeling a bit nervous, but me and Reese are in the same race, that's quite cool, and Chaz is in the one after, so yeah, we got a bit of an early start this morning, kind of like 10-15 start, so bit of a line, but then we're in packing up. So now all is good. I've had a croissant. Harry delivered me it from this morning from a cafe, so rather nice. Thanks to the team. That is it. Day 6 sponsor. Hopefully you heard from Chaz, but huge thanks to Phoenix. They've been a huge part of everything we've done here, and yeah, let's go racing, baby.
Is that new look? Is it body armour on the outside of your coat?
That's what girls do.
Just bedding it in like Amity. Or you're going to go too low then?
No. There's nothing to him anyway, it's just to try and fill him out a bit.
Yeah.
He's a bit skinny, isn't he?
I just had 2 croissants, so yeah.
Are you feeling full? Bloody hell, I can see that food baby already.
Yeah, look at it.
Gee. What's it like on camera? Oh, man. our top British club team, which is fantastic. And I think, it depends how this afternoon goes, they have regraded the track. We might even be the second British team overall, so beating Team GB's junior team. Other than that, it's looking pretty busy here now. The Women's World Trophy about to start, then we've got, say, 3 races of Junior World Trophy and World Trophy. So it's pretty cool, pretty intense. Hopefully we'll catch up with the guys now and do a final outro.
This trophy.
Naturalmente con I piloti che hanno utilizzato gli pneumatici Dunlop Geomax Challenge.
So ready to call here on stage when everything will be set up. The rider who finished third in
Ci siamo.
Okay, so we welcome on stage from United States of America, Zane Roberts.
Zane Roberts, terzo classificato, il pilota statunitense.
Congratulations Zane. Then
e ancora il signor Roberto Finetti, Marketing Manager Motorcycle Europe di Dunlop, terza posizione per Zane Roberts.
Second step up the podium from Great Britain is Charlie Chater.
Dalla Gran Bretagna il secondo classificato Charlie Chater.
Congratulations Charlie.
Ed il premio per la sua seconda posizione ancora nelle mani del dottor Finetti, ma ora voglio l'ovazione perché è il primo italiano a salire sul podio.
Vince il Dunlop Geomax Challenge
Valentino Corsi.
Big applause for Valentino Corsi, the winner of the Dunlop Geomax Challenge.
Grande Valentino, nonostante le sirigliate di liquido tolto dal ginocchio, eccoli qua i nostri trofei. Grazie a Dunlop, grazie per questo challenge, grazie a mister Roberto Finetti, Dunlop Marketing Manager Motorcycle Europe. Bravo Zane, bravo Charlie e bravo Valentino, complimenti. Ed ora il tempo di...
Hello everyone, here we are, final day. Just wrapped up this final motocross. Me and Reese were in the same race, it was pretty good. Charlie was in the other class because he went faster than us. Yeah, that's about it. How was it, boys?
Yeah, good week really on the whole. We've had some dry days and some wet days, so I've had a few good tests and a few bad tests, but I can't complain, I'm happy. But motocross wasn't for me. I was on a little bike next to some big bikes, so I did struggle out the gate. Then I unfortunately got my foot peg stuck in somebody's front wheel, so on the second course I did get taken out, but I come back through and had a tight-ish result, so I can't complain.
Oh, you Chaz, you were the fast boys.
Yeah, it was mega ready. Bit of a shock in the motocross lining up next to them factory boys, but yeah, I managed to get to the corner. I was leading halfway down the first straight, and then got to the corner and messed up a little bit, so I was about 4th or 5th coming out, so yeah, I'm mega happy with that really. Really good week so far, and these guys have really done well and definitely helped the team a massive bit, so but yeah, definitely I'd like to thank all the support crews, Kate, my dad, everyone like out riding, just everyone really what's helped, and every little support like has helped so much, so yeah, thank you very much.
So yeah, that's it, that's a wrap from us as Team Hafren. We've honestly had a fantastic week, mega tests out here in Italy, a bit of road riding. Yeah, other than that, we look forward to 2027 and hopefully, like, you know, whether it's us as a club or someone else, another club member, racing as Hafren Dirt Bike Club. Well, 26 a bit too soon. We don't want to reuse all our sponsors, but no, thank you to everyone who's been a part of this. It wouldn't have happened with all you lot at home watching and all of the sponsors you see on the shirt. So yeah, huge thanks to everyone. Yeah,
thank you very much.
Take it easy and make sure you like and subscribe and watch all these vlogs because it's part of a competition of Beyond 6 Days.
We're going to win.
That's a wrap.